Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry old photo using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit this website at papaslabs.com, and then you're going to log into this website, and after that you're going to upload your image here. You can click on upload an image and choose your blurry image. For example, I'm just going to choose this image. I'm gonna pick a random photo. Okay, and wait guys. Okay, I'm going to click on render here. Wait, I'm going to make it sharpen, the noise as well, and render. Okay guys, and this is for the result. Okay, you can see the different, right? Okay, and if you want to download the photo, you can click on this icon, this download icon, and then the photo will be automatically downloaded. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix blurry old photo with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!